Welcome to my YouTube channel Al Shifa Medical Information. Surbex Z is a multivitamin supplement that contains B-complex vitamins, vitamin C, and zinc. It is commonly used to help improve energy levels, support the immune system, and promote overall well-being. Key ingredients: benefits: B-complex vitamins, B1, B2, B6, B12, niacin, pantothenic acid, folic acid, biotin, essential for energy production, nerve function, and metabolism. Vitamin C supports the immune system, improves skin health, and acts as an antioxidant. Zinc helps in wound healing, boosts immunity, and supports normal growth and development. Uses: helps combat fatigue and stress, supports immune function, aids in faster recovery from illness, promotes healthy skin, hair, and nails. Beneficial for individuals with a vitamin deficiency. Dosage: typically 1 tablet daily or as prescribed by a doctor. Side effects: generally well tolerated, but in some cases, it may cause mild stomach upset, nausea, or allergic reactions. Would you like more details on dosage, interactions, or alternatives? Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.